Come out and protest on the last Friday of the holy month of Ramadan. Stand up for the oppressed and stand against oppression. Come out and do your religious, moral and ethical duty. Bismillah. Al-Quds is the key to victory over Satan and his duplicitous army of thieves. Al-Quds is the path that will set us free. It's the front line in the battle against tyranny. Al-Quds identifies enemies without and within. Let me explain it further so that it will sink in. The enemies within hate Al-Quds. They pretend to be Muslims and act like they like to pray. The enemies without hate Al-Quds too. The Zionists today were the Khaybar crew. Then it was Ali, today Mahdi. Zionism is a threat to humanity. In Washington circles, Tel Aviv holds sway. The Saudis wouldn't be here without them today. It ain't Al-Qaeda, it's the Mossad G. If you can't see that, you're as blind as can be. The biggest threat to America is the Zionist dream. Americans dying for Zionist criminality. The Iraq invasion was their master plan, but Allah's plan is bigger than what they plan. They want us to fight so that they can hold sway. Christians and Muslims come together and we all should pray. Oh Allah, let Israel be wiped from the pages of time. They pretend that the Holocaust makes it A-OK to rape and pillage and murder and spray, shooting bullets at any living thing that moves. Is this the Jewish way? What would Moses say? So join the oppressed people of the world on that day, the last Friday of Ramadan, that holy day, as we denounce the oppressors on Al-Quds Day. So come out and scream on Al-Quds Day and prove that your salat holds any real sway, because Al-Quds Day provides the ability to see the importance of Al-Quds and the true enemy. So come out and shout on Al-Quds Day. Come out and shout on Al-Quds Day, and let the greatest man who ever lived raise his hands and pray. Oh Allah, I'm your Habib and my name is Ahmad. Bless these people who came to stand up to oppression. They fight against repression and the Zionist obsession. They don't give a damn about what anybody would say. Come out and raise your fists on Al-Quds Day and let Satan sweat and his legion shake. Come out and scream on Al-Quds Day, the last Friday, the holiest day of the holiest month. On that blessed day, perform your duty and give hope to the oppressed. You'll feel much better, like your life was blessed. Come out and shout on Al-Quds Day. Zionism is on notice because we're here to stay. We ain't going anywhere, it's Al-Quds Day. Come out and shout on Al-Quds Day. We aim to educate and eradicate hate. Come out and shout on Al-Quds Day. It's the end of repression and a new peaceful phase. Come out and shout on Al-Quds Day. Shout, shout, shout. Come out and shout on Al-Quds Day. Down with Zionism, down with oppression. Down with Zionism, down with repression. Down with Zionism, down with racism. Down with Zionism, down with fascism. Down with Zionism, down with war. Down with Zionism. We'll tolerate no more. Come out and protest. Muslims and non-Muslims alike. It's the right thing to do. Free America from the Zionist lobby. Free the world from Zionist oppression. Free Palestine. Come out on Al-Quds Day. Muslims, Jews and Christians should protest. We should come together for the sake of humanity. Thank you.